Do you want to learn more about digital marketing strategies and tools? Well, we created the Everskls learning program to help you get more clients. Whether you're just starting out or you're a more experienced marketer, this program will help you make sense of all the components in today's digital world to make better decisions and focus on the right tasks and strategies. It will help you build confidence in dealing with marketing campaigns and show you a couple of tricks to help you stand out. Everskls is an online education program designed for modern business professionals who seek the most hybrid digital marketing tools and strategies. We encourage all dedicated students, just like you, to develop the much-demanded digital skills of the future. Our mission is to support these talented individuals to build a better world. So, quick recap. What is this about? Oh yes, digital marketing, getting more clients, learning important skills for the future. So what do you get when you enroll in the Everskls learning program? You will learn about consumer behavior, customer journey, website development, Google Maps ranking, social media automation, and everything else you need to get started in digital marketing. All these fancy terms to say, more happy clients coming in on a regular basis. Remember when I said, build a better world? This is how the Everskls donation program works. Part of your tuition goes to foundations in need. You learn, the world gets better. It's that simple. Sign up today and enjoy our intensive digital marketing lessons, intuitive assignments and tests, complimentary material, and much, much more. Once you complete all the lessons, if eligible, you will also receive a certificate at the end of the program. Learn how you can grow your brand and attract the right customers using digital marketing tools. Welcome to Everskls Learning, and we'll see you in class.